Welcome again for the remaining part of the chapter. The next point is irrigation. Water is essential because a germination of seeds does not take place under dry condition. Nutrients dissolved in water are transported to each part of the plant. That is why water is very important. Traditional methods of irrigation. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods. The various traditional ways are, let us see what are they. Moat, pulley system. Second, chain pump. Figure 1.4a, 1.4b, 1.4d. Dhekli and Rahat lever system. Pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy is used to run these pumps. Now, let us see the modern methods of irrigation. These methods help us to use water economically. The main methods are sprinkler method. This system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. How it is made up? The perpendicular pipe having rotating nozzles on the top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. You must have seen in the garden. Very useful for lawns, coffee plantation. Next is drip system. Water falls drop by drop directly near the roots. Water is not wasted in this method. So first one is sprinkler method. Second is drip method. Is it clear? Now we see what we are doing for the protection from the weeds. Weeding involves removal of unwanted and uncultivated plants called weeds. Weeds are controlled by certain chemicals called weedicides like 2,4-D. They are sprayed in the fields to kill the weeds. Some weeds interfere even in the harvesting and may be poisonous for animals and human beings. Tilling before sowing of crops. Tilling मतलब soil को खोदना. Helps in uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. Harvesting. The cutting of crops after it is mature is called harvesting. It is either done by a sickle or by a machine called harvester. The grain seeds need to be prepared or separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. Farmers with small holdings of lands do the separation of grains and chaff by winnowing. Figure 1.9. Proper storage of grains is necessary to protect them from pest and microorganisms. So once again, please go through the points and then you have to solve your answers of the exercise. Each and every answer you have to write down neatly in your notebook. Each point you go through the main points I have discussed here. Then see the figures from the textbook so it will be more clear to you. And in neat writing, please complete the exercise, write all the answers and read the textbook again. Thank you.